How to upload channel art or YouTube channel cover.
Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with others as well.
First, you need to create channel art. You can create in any editor, but I like Canva because it provides ready-to-use template, so it becomes easy to make YouTube channel cover. These are the few samples you can see. Follow the link in the description to get access to these. Now, after downloading channel cover, how to upload it. Adjust it properly, so it will be visible on all devices. Here you can see our uploaded channel art for YouTube.
For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.